Hello, my name is Fidel Hundwera Byiringiro. Yes, I'm leader of this group. Yes, we are going to present about the Purple project, which is called Cultural Dinner Party. This project is found in Confront Culture Go. Just each and everyone will have worked on one part as long as the project is very large, and we are going to talk in a summary about what you have worked.
Thank you. My name is Michel Nigena. Just I was working on three culture. The first one is tangible touch. The second was targeting at football. The third is our culture is called Wanyamulenge tribe. First of all, for Tongrit people, their culture mostly in their party or ceremonies, they use some kind of foods. Among the food, there are some fish, sea meat, oily seal, all those kind of food they use in their ceremony. Mostly the chief, like host, is the one who is preferable use or to take more food in that kind of food, which is show honest for in the party. Also, the guests who are there also they have that ability of to share together with others that kind of food. For targeting at football, also before the match where it will take place, they prepare some of kind of food and beverage which they are going to use in their match. That kind of food, some is like bread, another like beverage, soda, juice. Some they use like alcohol sometime. But the purpose is to use that food in their like future time where they are going to play. They use without found in other like circumstances which will prevent them to be free in their place. About my culture of Wanyamulenge, mostly also in their party or ceremony, they use the like kaunga, they use milk together, also they use the meat when they share that kind of food in their ceremony. Mostly there are some commonalities and differences. Some of commonalities they use there for Tangrit pottage, mostly they use their food in their ceremony, or they use also their wealth to present like they are strong or their purpose, which is the nation with emphasize in seed production in order to get more benefit, where they use trader from seed production, where they use like other kind of valuable goods in order to publish good things in their relationship with other nations. For also my culture, they use in their wealth they use like cow, they breed cow. You found there are a big pasture with people which keep that kind of cows there. They use that. Someone who has a big number of cow is one who is rich in our culture. The food, they like targeting at football. Also, they prepare the food when they are going to play or to have future match. Even for us in my culture, they prepare some like food they are going to use far away in their pasture, because there are some kind of pasture which is located far away at their homes. That's why they prepare also the food to use there. Like differences in our culture, I have seen when they are eating, they use their own hands. But other cultural, sometimes they use other materials. Also, another kind of difference in our culture, most the wife and men, they don't share the food together. They share the food separately. That's all. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. My name is Emmanuel Sevakung. I'm going to talk about 3 cultures. The first is Hindu wedding food. The second is Pennsylvania Dutch cuisine. The third is my culture, which is called the Abajomba culture. First of all, Hindu wedding food. In their ceremony, they usually use coconut, rice, and a paste of cunning seeds and brown sugar. This coconut, which symbolize prosperity, rice symbolizes sustenance, and a paste of salmon and salmon seeds and brown sugar, which symbolize bitterness and sweetness.
Wow.
And in Pennsylvania Dutch cuisine, there are people from Maine. They like to eat whoopie, and when they are eating it, it is mandatory to have a big glass of milk. Then in our culture, we when in our ceremony we sometimes use kaunga, and when we are having that kaunga, we sometimes use a cup or a glass of milk. Then the commonalities among 3 cultures. About your Hindu wedding ceremony, they use coconut to bless the couple in the marriage. But in our culture, we sometimes use milk to bless the ceremony we are having. And about the Pennsylvania Dutch cuisine, the people from Maine, it's mandatory to use to have a glass of milk while eating whoopie. As our Jomba culture, when we are eating kaunga, we have to get a cup of milk. Then the difference is that in Hindu wedding food, they usually use coconut to bless the marriage, but ours we use milk and the kaunga we are eating, but in our usual lives, as we use kaunga in our daily lives, but in Hindu wedding marriage they use coconut in their marriage. Thank you.
Okay. Finally, just for me, I have worked on 3 cultures. The one from Hawaiians, and the other one from Japanese, and the last one, the one from Abagogwe, like how I am. Just in Hawaiians, I'm going to begin to show the similarities among these 3 cultures about what they eat. For Hawaiians, just they use the taro, which is used to produce the point like their daily food. While Japanese, just they use rice like their primary food. For our Gogwe, just they use kaunga, the one which is produced from the maize, like also their primary food. Just I'm going to talk a little bit about the difference between those 3 cultures. So for the Hawaiians, just they take point like spiritual food for their culture, while the Japanese they take rice like behavior originate. It's like the behavior originate. Just they consider like that their behavior comes from rice, the wet rice. For us, just we take the akaunga like we take akaunga like a health benefits of our life. Thank you very much. This is the end of our presentation, and we hope that will be beneficial for you. Thank you.